So this video is going to give you some instruction on what to do with contractions. I am sure that this is a review for you. I'm sure you've had this in previous grades, but I want to give you some instruction on it. And this will help you with your assignments in IXL TT1 and TT2. So contractions, as you can see, are two words that are combined, but they're not compound words because part of the second word is removed and replaced with an apostrophe. So some letters from the second word are taken out, and the apostrophe is put in the place of the missing letters. That's what the apostrophe stands for, and the apostrophe is like the little hanging comma. So if we have this word, she will, and we turn it into a contraction, it will be she'll. And we've taken out the W and the I, and that is where we've put the apostrophe. So if we have these two words, they will, we can put them into a contraction, they'll. And again, you can see that where the W and the I are, that's where we've put the apostrophe. And we had will turn into weed. And again, that's where the apostrophe is where the H and the A were removed. We are turned into we're, and we just removed one letter there. I am turns into I'm. Don't forget to capitalize it. I is always capitalized. Cannot, which is a compound word, gets turned into a contraction like this. We've taken out an N and an O. Were not turns into weren't, and we've taken out the O. Now that's important to notice whenever we've done something with not, the word not. Generally, it's the O that we take out. In cannot, here we took out an N and an O because this was a compound word. But in weren't, we take out this letter in the middle. So you'll notice that that is where we put the apostrophe. We put it between the N and the T because the apostrophe goes wherever the missing letter was. So let's do another one of those. Let's do has not. So when we change that into a contraction, we have HASN apostrophe T. The apostrophe goes wherever the missing letter or letters are. For this one, let us, that would be let's. Let us join the others for Thanksgiving to let's join the others for Thanksgiving. And finally, this is one that we never misspeak this, but sometimes we do miswrite it. So will not does not turn into willn't. I willn't go with you. It turns into won't. I will not go with you, or I won't go with you. So in this case, we change some other letters here, and I'm not really sure why. I'll have to look up the history of that. But will not gets turned into won't, and the apostrophe goes right there. We'll have to look that up and find out why willn't got turned to won't. So this will help you with both TT1 and TT2 in IXL this week.